my god, you're such an idiot.
What's up, guys? As you can see, I got the packaging today, and you know, I am a certified thug. As you can see in the tattoos I have here.
Oh, damn, what else? What else?
Oh!
And what we working with today? What we working with today?
The exotic snack package.
Look at that. Let's get a look at that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me take this off.
Damn, put it back on. Put it back on. Today, we got the snack packing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why are you putting it back on? I was kidding about that. All right, open that thing up. Open that thing up. Right, this is actually a mystery box, so we have no idea what's in here. Two things I did order separately were this orange Kit Kat, which is from the UK. We have a Peep soda, which that was available in the US, but that crap sold out.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. About the thumbnail?
Oh my god, we gotta do a thumbnail. What the heck is it we need right now? Alright.
Go check them out. Go check them out.
Oh, is that a sticker?
Yeah, this is sticker.
That's clean.
Facts.
How it's like. Oh my god, is that crab or lobster? I don't like seafood now. What is that? What is that?
So we got the orange choco pie. Cherry.
A cherry filled choco pie? Oh, they have these here, right?
Facts.
I've had that. I mean, that's a Chinese version though.
Turn it around, turn it around.
What does that even say? Oh, doing shine. Pull this one out. This is a Lay's. This is from like China or something. It's crab flavored, I'm assuming, but we don't even eat seafood like that.
Facts.
All right, so we're gonna taste as we go. So we'll leave this for now, and we'll just start off with these.
Go ahead and try this one. Let's
Okay.
Oh.
Choco pie. Mario knows his food very well.
Open it. Oh, look at that.
Ooh wee.
Oh, wee.
Bussin' or disgusting?
Is it bussin' or disgusting?
Bustin'.
Bussin'?
Fire.
Hey, certified. Yes, sir.
Bustin' or disgusting?
It's alright. It's alright. It's like marshmallow. It's dry.
Yeah.
I thought there was jelly in here.
Yeah, I can't really taste the cherry.
Yeah, there's no cherry in there. It's just like cookie and like marshmallow.
Chocolate.
I'ma keep it like an island boy. I'ma keep it like an island boy. Y'all can recreate the island boy thing?
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it for the video.
Wait, do what? Like kiss?
Yeah.
No.
We got a little interruption, but we're gonna try these. That's a what is it?
Gummy grapes.
What? Like gummy candy? It tastes like grapes.
It smells good.
I
I
smell
smell
that.
that. Just grab one.
Salt.
That's what they looking like. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go.
They kind of taste like those one things. I forgot what they're called.
In the cup?
Yeah. The SpongeBob patty things.
What? They're not bad.
Yeah, they bussin'.
Definitely better than that one.
I mean, I feel like we've all had this, right?
We all had it.
It's the Pocky cookie and cream, but it's not from America. It's from I don't know where it's from. Ooh!
Ooh, I like that.
You're so gay. Go. You gotta touch. No, I'm not touching this.
Yeah, this tastes good.
Is it bussin' or disgusting?
Bustin'! Oh.
Stop!
Why not, guys?
Oh!
We got the fish chips.
The lobster crab chips. I always say I don't like seafood, but I never tried crab. Just the smell of fish disgusts me. That's why.
Smell it first.
I'm scared.
The last time.
It's not bad. It smells like barbecue, low key.
Oh, it does.
Low key. Like,
Who wants to do the honorings? Except you got
You
that.
opened it. I'll do one with you.
I'll do one with you too. I'm gonna take a little
Cheers.
bite first. Ooh.
It's not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
Like if you were to like give me these and I didn't know it was lobster, I'd be like, yeah, that's pretty good.
The thought of crab makes it seem disgusting.
Like thinking it was crab, I was like, damn, it's gonna be gross, but it's pretty good.
I hold in my breath so I don't have to taste it, and then when you said that, I stopped holding my breath, and I was like, that's good.
It says chili crab, so there's a little spice to it.
There is a little. I feel it. For crab, is this bussin' or disgusting?
Is damn, Mario! Open it up.
Whoa!
Monkey.
1,000 years of pain.
Stop.
Look at that, yo. Poop. Oh, good.
I don't think I want to try it anymore.
Just kill it, just kill it.
That's how big boys eat.
So we gotta go back to the mystery box. I don't even know what's in here. I'm gonna just grab one. And the results show. This says Hanuta. Is this like a Nutella thing?
I guess
Oh, it's already broken. How?
And the results. Perfect.
That wasn't that bad. Oh, that smells buzzing.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Cheers.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
Oh.
What? Yo, that's good. It's like hazelnut too.
Certified gangster, by the way.
Bussin' or disgusting?
Bussin'.
You're gay. What is this? Princesca?
Princesca classy longer dark chocolate.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's very, very chocolatey.
It's good.
Yeah, that's good.
It's like a wafer. It's nice and white.
This one kind of tastes like Nutella too to me for some reason.
It does, it does. Damn, dork! Why you do that? Was so gay.
You money.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, I feel like that's something from Mexico, I think.
Choco dips. This says Scottsdale, Arizona.
Cheers.
Sipping codeine like it's beer.
Ooh. What?
Good, huh? Not bad.
This tastes familiar.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Yo, that's huge.
What the? It says striking, popping candy. It's a cool package. Oh, they're tiny.
It's a
6 calories.
Oh, it's made from China, Hong Kong. My boy, Jackie Chan. Lee, Mr. Han.
Do you understand the words that are coming
Coming
out
out,
my mouth?
mama. Stop. ASMR for this one. Relax, relax.
It's like a Sprite.
I'm guessing a Warhead type of soda. We got the Warhead sour green apple soda. Apple soda.
Can't forget the Bev.
Never, never, never.
All right, so right here we got the Pepsi Peeps. What is it called?
Filled rolled strawberry?
Filled rolled strawberry.
That smells like sour.
Sour?
Ooh.
It smells like some type of cheesecake or something.
Inside though, like it's wet.
No.
It's alright.
There's like a little bit of cream in there. Pause. I forgot we had the Kit Kat orange.
Oh.
What? Chief? Slide, Chief.
Slide.
Oh! So these are Kit Kat, orange Kit Kat, but I have no idea where this is from. UK, I said that earlier.
2, 1. Gobble, gobble.
They're like orange chocolate.
I'm not a really big fan of orange chocolate, so.
It smells good. Smell like sweet green apples. It's good. It's just a little sour.
Ooh. Yeah, it's good.
Perfect.
Refreshing?
Refreshing. Wait, didn't he?
Like a 4 out of 10.
Alright, y'all. That's the end of the video. We tried everything. What was your favorite?
Mine was the gummies.
Gummies as well.
For real? Mine was the hazel chocolate Nutella thing. That one was good. That's gonna be the end of the video. We gotta say, cheers.
We love the support, you guys.
Yeah, we're closing in on a 200. We're closing in on 200.
200 mark.
Only the beginning, right? What the heck?
We'll see ya next time.